Attracting customers and selling your products and services to them is only the first step. In today's dynamic environment, it's equally important to maintain high retention rate. What are the questions you should ask yourself in order to solve this marketing challenge? What can you do to make people want to come back? What drives or motivates them to come back? Is there an upsell that you can get creative with? Are you taking away the need to make choices from your customers ever again? Is your product or service the easiest choice that's already been proven previously? Businesses with strong loyalty programs and engaging marketing approaches are the ones who are solving this challenge with a touch of caring. For example, here is how 7-Eleven is using seasonal occasions to engage their customers in coming back to them again and again. Those moments are usually fun and memorable.
Hey guys!
Hi guys!
We have a cool box today. It is a Deadpool-themed mystery box from 7-Eleven. Alright, so here we go. Let's see what we got inside. We start off with their little kind of paperwork, basically. It says, "Hi there, calling all Deadpool 2 fans, America's favorite anti-heroes, taking over 7-Eleven stores." Then it says, "Don't forget to try out the AR experience in stores and trying the products included in this package. Available exclusively at 7-Eleven."
7-Eleven Rewards app was supplemented with AR features and went live in 10,000 stores in the US and Canada using a promotional Deadpool content that customers kept unlocking by coming back to the store during a 9-week campaign.
Here at 7-Eleven, we are a team of people who are looking to create new things, create new experiences for our consumer.
Test and learn. That's what digital team is, which means do things quickly, fail fast if needed, learn and do the next thing.
Don't rely on surveys, don't rely on PowerPoints, let the customer tell you, and the only way the customer will tell you is by testing and learning.
During first 3 weeks of the campaign, it had 957,000 unique engagements and 2.1 million zaps, with customers earning more than 85 million loyalty points after taking dazzling 6 million filtered photos via the application. Ever since, 7-Eleven keeps creating augmented reality experiences, being one of the trendsetters in their industry. Giving your customers more than they've asked for today so you don't lose them tomorrow is the secret ingredient to an effective marketing strategy. But how can a company maintain a constant level of interest to their brand? Quite a food for thought.